Hey everybody, Sarah here from Chic Chalking and Design, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you decided to join me today. It's Tip Tuesday, and I can't wait to share with you what today's tip is. Stick around, here we go. Today's tip is all about how you can cut a straight line using just your jigsaw and your speed square. So all you need to do is line up the edge of your speed square against the long edge of your cutting wood, and then run the guide of your jigsaw along the side of the speed square, and you will get a straight line every single time. Be sure to hit that thumbs up if you liked today's tip, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so that you get notified every time I upload new content. If you have an idea for a video or a project or a tip, make sure you leave it in the comments down below so that I can take your advice and I can create more valuable content for you. Thanks so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.